welcome to Satsuma Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can remove existing alterations from some of our school clothing that we may need to do. This was an interesting case in that we received this donated pair of beautiful chino pants in really good condition, not a ton of wear and tear. And it became very evident that the student that was wearing that needed a little tighter waistband. So somebody was very ingenious and they went ahead and hand stitched in a couple of different places. But of course, we want to make sure that these the waistband is as it was originally so that the next student can wear that and enjoy it. So I've marked these two spots with our little bit of masking tape to indicate a mending operation is required. I'll go ahead and remove those. And then with my seam ripper, I'll simply go up this line, removing the handwork, which I never feel good about doing, but in this case, they did a nice job. It's very secure. And we'll just make sure that we're not damaging any of the fabric as we remove our threads. Okay. I just love to see other people mending. It's just wonderful to reuse garments. So you can see we need to do the inside as well. They're very thorough. And I noted another little element of this pair of pants, which was, this is a hole that would typically be open for elastic buttonhole waistband. That's in order to cinch a waistband smaller. But it looks like maybe this didn't exist or the student didn't like the feeling of that. So this handwork was the alternative, which I love that ingenuity. So what I would do though is leave this. This is very nice handwork. It's very clean looking and consistent. So I'll just leave that, but I'll go ahead and continue to just pull out my other little threads here. And looks like this should be trimmed a bit. You can see there's a little bit of wear here where the waistband was hand sewn, but we'll just go ahead and leave that. And here we go. Okay. I want you to know that the work you're doing here is really significant. Keeping textiles out of landfills is a priority of Satsuma's, and it really can make a big difference in our environment. There's a lot of textile waste, and doing what may seem like small efforts added up over time and sharing this idea with other people is very, very significant. So I want to thank you for that, for watching and considering mending your garments and or mending garments for other people like we are with our students. So there you have it. This is a little troubling, but I think it's a small enough hole. We could add a small little navy patch, just a tiny little 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch if we wanted to. But my thought is the next person may want to use a belt, so that would rub. I think these look great. So next on our list would be to launder them and package them to get them to the next student to enjoy. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.